If you want to write engaging Instagram captions on your Instagram posts, you are in the right place because today in this video I'll show you exactly how can you do that. So let's jump right into it. First, let's go ahead and open Instagram, and of course make sure you are logged into your Instagram account. Then tap on this plus button at the bottom of the screen to create a post. Now let's see, I want to create a post about dancing, and I have this picture about a shadow of a dancing girl. Tap on next in the top right corner, and let's go ahead and find out how can we get engaging captions. We need to quit from here, go to your browser and open ChatGPT from this website right here at the top. Now we need to write this. From here you can just follow up with me and type, write me a very short or a long or medium engaging captions for an Instagram post about dancing or about food or about whatever you want. In this case, you should get this little script. Tap on copy to copy it, go back to the Instagram post that you are creating on Instagram and paste it here. And just like that, you have generated engaging caption for your Instagram post, and you can do that whenever and however you want. And that is it for this video, guys. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.